Ready, start. He also referred us to Section 57 of the 2009 Act, which repeals the 1976 Act and submitted that transactions made under the old Act would continue as a result. Full stop. The question that therefore arises in the present case is given the fact that the Legal Metrology Act 2009 continues with the same definition of sale as was contained in the 1976 Act, whether the judgment of the learned single judge can be said to be correct in law and applicable qua the 2009 Act. Full stop para. A consideration of the statement of objects and regions of the 1976 Act would show that the said Act is concerned with a provision for consumer protection by which the proper indication on the package of net quantity by weight etc., is contained therein, and the price of the package is also indicated. Full stop. Further indication of date of manufacture and date of expiry would also be marked for appropriate products. Full stop. The relevant portion of the said statement of objects and regions is set out herein below. Full stop. Para. The bill further provides for consumer protection in respect of packaged commodities by providing, in pursuance of the recommendations of the OIML, for the proper indication on the package of net quantity by weight, measures, or number, the identity of the commodity contained therein, name of the manufacturer, and what is very important, the price of the package. Full stop. It is also proposed that commodities commonly used by people should be packed in rationalized standards quantities by weight, measure, or number so as to facilitate the purchase and comparison of price by the people. Full stop. Further indication of date of manufacture and date of expiry would also be marked for appropriate products. Full stop. Para. A further provision for consumer protection is the approved models of weights, measures, and weighing and measuring instruments, which is recommended by the OIML draft law. Full stop. The scientific evaluation of the performance, accuracy, and dependability of weights, measures, etc., would enable the consumer to buy his requirements with greater confidence about accuracy and also give industries the facility to use more accurate measuring instruments in their production control and enable the scientists to measure accurately to quantities involved in their researches. Full stop. All these benefits will contribute to national development. Full stop. Para. We are concerned primarily with the definition of sale that is contained in the 1976 Act as it then stood. Full stop. Sale is defined as follows. Para. Sale with its grammatical variations and cognate expressions means transfer of property in any weight, measure, or other goods by one person to another for cash or for deferred payment or for any other valuable consideration, and includes a transfer of money, weight, measure, or other goods on the hire purchase system or any other system of payment by installments, but does not include a mortgage or hypothecation of or a charge or pledge on such weight measure or other goods. Full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.